I've got a very simple technique here for cropping an image in Illustrator. So if I come to File, Place. Now traditionally you can right-click, crop image, and then crop the image from here. The problem is, once you've pressed enter, you have to then undo and go back to the beginning. A quicker way to do this, or a better way to do this, if I select the image with a direct selection, I'm going to come over to my Properties panel on the right-hand side, and if you can't find it, go to Window, Properties. If I scroll down then to Quick Actions, and rather than select Crop Image, I'm going to select Mask. Now if I press Mask, the mask options now appear in the properties. Now the beauty of this is I can use the mask to crop the image, as you can see I'm doing here. But then once I click off, I've got my cropped image here. So select the image. I can then go to Isolate Mask, select the original mask, and now I can readdress the mask, and the original image is still there for me. And after all this, if I want to then simply release the mask, I can press that and the image reappears. And then I can just select and delete the mask and then come out of the layer. So there's a very simple way to crop an image in Illustrator using the masking technique rather than the crop image technique. Hope you found this helpful. Hope you liked this tutorial. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or future tutorials you'd like to see from me. Keep on designing, and until next time, I'll see you for the next tutorial.